Welcome again to Protegis, and today we're going to spotlight the 4098-9714 smoke detector. 4098-97 smoke detector is a universal device, meaning it can go in a lot of different systems. The 4020, the 4100, 4100U, 4100ES, and 4008 addressable panel. So they're widely used. I see them a lot of places, a lot of buildings that I go in. I see these smoke detectors. If you have a 9701 and you want to replace it with a 9714, you don't have to do any programming. You just replace it, put it in, and it's good. So if you want some 9714s, give us a call. And these could be yours. Thank you.